Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Binance.us step by step clearly. Visit the Binance.us website at www.binance.us. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the next field. Review and accept the terms of service. Click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Binance.us. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Return to the Binance.us website and log in with your email and password. Complete the two-factor authentication setup for added security. Fill out the required personal information in the account verification form. Upload a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Submit the identification for review. Wait for confirmation that your account has been verified. Once verified, log back into your account. Navigate to the deposit section to fund your account. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the prompts. After funding your account, you can start trading. Explore the platform and familiarize yourself with its features. Ensure your account settings are configured for optimal security. Stay updated with any regulatory requirements that may apply to your location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.